Today's topic focuses on the many costs of home repairs in San Diego. And full disclosure, there are many. My name is Brian at Trusted House Buyers, and thanks for tuning into the video today. As we all know, owning a home in San Diego is the stuff that American dreams are made of. However, homeownership comes with many house repairs, and house repairs can be very, very costly. The cost of house repairs in San Diego can really add up. Let's start off with a brief overview. House repair costs can vary significantly depending on the size, value, and location of your home. Maintenance costs are nearly double for older homes than newly constructed homes. And as we all know, repairs can come at any time, and sometimes those repairs are not minor fixes. Many projects significantly impact the overall cost of maintenance. At Trusted House Buyers, we have seen many homeowners exit their homes simply because the cost of house maintenance, whether big or small, is simply just too much to handle. Now let's dive a little bit deeper into the most common home maintenance projects that you will have here in San Diego. You will find that many home repairs are on the exterior of your home. These can range from lawn care to tree trimming, pool maintenance, and even roof repair. So let's look at tree trimming as an example. Experts recommend trimming mature trees every 3 to 5 years. The cost to trim these trees can vary widely from $100 to a whopping $1,000 per tree. And of course, the cost will increase if the job takes, for instance, multiple days. Now let's look at another example. If you have a pool that really sold you on the purchase of your home in the first place, and let's be honest, who doesn't love a pool during the summer in San Diego when it gets hot? Well, don't be alarmed when you're shelling out about $1,800 to $3,200 a year in general maintenance. Ouch, that adds up. But beyond regular home maintenance, homeowners must tackle major repairs from time to time, unfortunately. A recent survey found that 88% of homeowners complete at least one major repair a year. That is a pretty staggering statistic. These major home repairs bump up the average yearly cost of home maintenance and really must be accounted for. Let's talk about some of the most common repairs that a homeowner in San Diego may be facing. And buckle up because the list isn't very pretty. Some of these major repairs can include HVAC replacement, roof replacement, foundation repair, water heater replacement, electrical work, termite, and water damage. Those are just to name a few. If this consolidated list hasn't already sent you running for the hills, far, far away from homeownership in San Diego, let's actually talk numbers to see what the damage really comes down to financially. So you need a new HVAC, right? Doesn't seem like that big of a deal. Well, every 10 years or so, you could be looking at a $5,000 to $10,000 bill to make this replacement. But wait, there's more. Depending on the age of your home and the condition of the roof, repairs generally need to be made during the time that you actually live in the home, and those repairs can be upwards of $10,000 depending on your specific issue. Can these repairs be ignored? Well, if you want to be sitting under a leaky roof with no heat during the winter, maybe. And at Trusted House Buyers, we definitely do not recommend that. Now that you know some of the costs of house repairs, it is extremely important to plan a budget. As a rule of thumb, homeowners should budget 1 to 3% of their home's value a year for home maintenance. Alternatively, you can use the square footage rule, which advises homeowners to budget $1 per square foot of their property per year for home maintenance. So on a final note, if you live in an area with natural disasters, your average annual home maintenance may actually increase due to related repairs. It's critical to have natural disaster insurance to cover these costs. Homeowners insurance policies typically do not cover damage caused by uncontrollable events like earthquakes. Let's hope San Diego does not have one of those in the near future. But here's the bottom line. There are many factors that contribute to the varying cost of house repairs in San Diego. If you find yourself in a situation where you're ready to sell and that the frustrations of house repairs have simply become too much to handle, Trusted House Buyers can offer you a cash offer, take your home completely as is, and close on your terms. Selling your home to a cash buyer like Trusted House Buyers can relieve you of many repair and maintenance costs that owning a home can bring. For more information on the long list of costs for house repairs you may experience as a San Diego homeowner and why it may be a good time to sell your house quickly without the headaches and expenses of house repairs, you can always call us at Trusted House Buyers by dialing 619-786-0973. Thanks for watching.